Hey creators, meet Lazybird, your new AI voiceover best friend. Reason 1. Create human-like voiceovers with customizable tone and speed. Reason 2. Seamlessly integrate stock music for enhanced storytelling. Reason 3. Effortlessly export in MP3, WAV, or OGG formats. Lazybird's user-friendly interface makes audio editing a breeze. Perfect for content creators, educators, and media professionals alike. Advanced speech recognition for efficient audio-to-text conversion. Versatile voice options for realistic and customizable narration. Ideal for multimedia projects, podcasts, and educational content. Don't miss out on the best deal for Lazybird on AppSumo. Elevate your audio projects with Lazybird today. Click the link and transform your storytelling experience now. I will promote this on YouTube, so please write. Find the purchase link in the description below.